endless, vast, infinitely universe on a canvas of stars and galaxies? Does the vast universe have a boundary, or does it stretch on infinitely, an endless canvas of stars and galaxies? It's a question that pushes our understanding and challenges our perception. Let's delve deeper into this fascinating question. To comprehend the idea of an edge to the universe, we first need to understand what we mean by universe. Picture space as an infinite expanse stretching out in all directions. This infinite expanse filled with galaxies, stars, planets, and all matter and energy is what we call the universe. It's the totality of all that exists: time, space, matter, energy, and the physical laws and constants that govern them. Now let's journey back in time to the very birth of the universe, to the moment of the Big Bang. It's not so much an explosion as it is a rapid expansion, a sudden stretching of space itself. From an incredibly hot, dense point, the universe has been expanding ever since, over the course of about 13.8 billion years. This expansion is still happening today, with galaxies moving away from each other like spots on an inflating balloon. But here's a mind-bending concept. When we talk about the universe, we're often referring to the observable universe. This is the part of the universe that we can see from Earth or anywhere within our galaxy. Because light takes time to travel, when we look out into space, we're also looking back in time. The farthest we can see, about 46.5 billion light years away, is as far back as the universe was just after the Big Bang. The afterglow of the Big Bang, known as the cosmic microwave background, obstructs our ability to see beyond that point. What lies behind it? Could it be the edge of the universe or the infinite expansion? Unfortunately, a telescope alone cannot penetrate this barrier. The observable universe is just a small slice of the whole pie. There may be parts of the universe far beyond what we can currently observe, perhaps infinite in extent. These regions, unobservable but still part of our universe, are simply too far away. Their light hasn't had time to reach us yet. With these concepts in mind, we can begin to grapple with the idea of an edge to the universe. Now that we understand the universe a bit better, we can explore the possibility of its edge. An edge to the universe? Well, the idea isn't as far-fetched as it sounds. Some theories suggest that the universe may indeed have a boundary, a point of no return, an edge beyond which nothing exists. The concept of a finite universe is one that has been toyed with by physicists and cosmologists for decades. If the universe is finite, it would mean that there is a certain amount of space, matter, and energy within it. Beyond that, nothingness. This is a concept that challenges our understanding of infinity and the endless expanse of space we have always associated with the universe. Now, if we think of the universe as having a shape, the plot thickens. Imagine for a moment that our universe is spherical, like a giant celestial ball. If we were to travel in one direction, we would eventually end up where we started, much like circumnavigating the Earth. This is a concept known as a closed universe. Alternatively, imagine a universe that behaves like the classic asteroid games, where exiting from the top leads you to re-enter from the bottom, and exiting from the left leads you to re-enter from the right. This concept provides infinite space within the universe. If this were the case for our universe, scientists believe that the edges of the universe must be interconnected. Picture the universe as a donut, or a torus to be precise. In this scenario, if you were to travel in a straight line, you would eventually loop back to your starting point, but from a different direction. This gives us a universe that is finite yet unbounded. Then there's the concept of a flat universe, where if you travel in a straight line, you would keep going indefinitely, never returning to your starting point. This implies an infinite universe with no edge. Each of these shapes, the sphere, the donut, the flat plane, implies a different fate for our universe and a different understanding of its structure. The idea of the universe having an edge is indeed intriguing, but what does the scientific community have to say about it? Before we continue, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this and leave a comment saying, "I have subscribed." This way I can reply and thank you for your kind support. I truly appreciate every one of you. You are what motivates me to create more brain-boosting content. I literally couldn't do it without your support. Scientists have been grappling with the question of the universe's edge for a long time. It may surprise you to know that many of our brightest minds, the scientists who dedicate their lives to understanding the cosmos, lean towards the belief that the universe might be infinite and edgeless. This idea is rooted in something known as the cosmological principle, a cornerstone of modern cosmology. The cosmological principle posits that the universe, when viewed on a large enough scale, is homogeneous and isotropic. In simpler terms, it looks the same no matter where you are or in which direction you gaze. This implies that there's no special location, no central point, no edge. But of course, this is just one piece of the celestial puzzle. Another key factor to consider is the universe's rate of expansion. You see, the universe isn't just sitting still, it's expanding, and it's doing so at an accelerating pace. This isn't expansion in the way you might think, like a balloon inflating. Instead, space itself is stretching. This means that even if we could travel at the speed of light, we would never reach an edge, because the universe is expanding faster than we could ever hope to traverse it. These are just theories, ideas built on observations and mathematical models. The reality is we simply don't know for certain if there's an edge to the universe or not. The universe is a vast, complex entity, and its secrets are not easily revealed. However, scientists have potentially discovered a method to observe the edge of the universe, even if it lies beyond what we can visually perceive. By utilizing mathematics and sound, they have found that each universe shape generates a distinct pattern of sound waves. Similar to how different drum shapes produce unique patterns, scientists believe that by analyzing the sound within the universe, they can gain insights into its shape. However, unraveling the complexities of such mathematical calculations may take us years to determine the true form of our universe. This discovery has the potential to be even more groundbreaking than the revelation that the Earth is round rather than flat. While we may dream of finding the edge of the universe, science suggests that it might be an endless journey. Having delved into the scientific theories and potential methods of observing the universe's edge, a mysterious cosmic phenomenon known as dark flow sparked new theories. This phenomenon, first discovered in 2008 by a team at NASA, led by Sasha Kashlinsky, has been puzzling scientists and challenging our understanding of the universe ever since. Dark flow refers to the strange, coherent motion of galaxy clusters. Unlike the general expansion of the universe, where galaxies move away from each other, dark flow sees clusters of galaxies moving in the same direction, almost as if being pulled by an unseen force. Some cosmologists suggest that this phenomenon could be the result of gravitational pull from another universe beyond ours. If true, this could hint at the existence of a multiverse, where our universe is merely one among an infinite number of universes. It's a tantalizing theory, one that could redefine our understanding of the universe and its potential edge. However, dark flow is still a contentious topic within the scientific community. The universe's edge, if it exists, remains elusive. The search for it, filled with fascinating theories and intriguing discoveries like the dark flow phenomena. We began by asking, is there an edge to the universe? Is it finite or infinite? Does it curve back onto itself or stretch out indefinitely? The universe, with its vastness and mysteries, continues to captivate us. And though we may not have a definitive answer, the quest for understanding never ends. That's what makes human beings special. With the power of our imagination, our perception of the universe continues to undergo a revolution. We used to believe we were the center of the universe. The last century, we realized we are just a small part of a much grander narrative. We have formulated theories that attempt to explain the origins of it all. Perhaps the key to understanding the edge of the universe lies in its very beginnings. To learn more about 6 alternate theories of the Big Bang, click on the next video.